What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Jonny Bubbles here. I'm super excited for this one. So we're gonna bring you guys something a little different. We're gonna be doing an unboxing on the Jordan 4 UNC that comes out later this month. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start with the box. As you can see, it is a very clean looking box. We got the white lid with the blue Jumpman and black flight right here. Take it over to the size tag. Of course, we have the cement print all over the bottom of the box, which you see on every standard Jordan 4. Let's go ahead and get it open. Oh, these are sexy. Right off the bat, guys, I love this shoe. Now, it could be just because I'm a big fan of Jordan 4s, but this colorway is amazing. And I know we've seen it already a few times with the UNC Jordan 1 that just released not too long ago. Of course, the UNC 3s that released last year. But this one right here, super buttery. Of course, you always got to do the smell test. You already know. Now, we were lucky to get our hands on this early pair, guys, just to show you guys what it looks like before it comes out. That way you can decide, do you want to cop it? Do you want to drop it? For me, it's definitely a cop. So let's go ahead and get into the materials, guys. The uppers consist of this nice buttery suede UNC colorway. Of course, we have the white cement speckles on the midsole and on the wings here. Now, if we take it to the outsole, it's the same white cement 4 outsole except with the University Blue Jumpman, and of course the blue on the forefront of the shoe as well. Now, one thing I do remember seeing online is a lot of people not liking this jersey tag on the tongue, and I also seen Blake's video where he took it off with the X-Acto knife, so shout out to Blake. I actually didn't mind the way it looked with it on, but it also looks really dope with it off as well. It kind of just cleans up that tongue look and just gives it the original Jordan 4 flight tongue look. So we've seen 2 other PEs prior to this release that had a similar colorway. Most recently, the powder blue one, which had a translucent outsole. The midsole was blue with black speckles along with the wings here. And then of course the back heel was blue with black speckles as well. And then the previous one had more of like a plaid midsole that had a matching inner lining, and the tongue on it as well had like a little foot. So those are the main differences from the player editions and this one. However, I'm still a huge fan of this colorway. This is definitely one that I want to add to my collection. I am a sucker for 4s, like I mentioned. 4s are definitely my favorite model of Jordan, so I need it in my collection. However, I don't want to pay resale for it. I already know these are probably going to hit for upwards up to 500 in my opinion. This one right now I think goes for like 800, right, Conrad? 800? Yeah, 800. So like, I couldn't see myself spending 800 on this pair. If that was the case, I would just pay a little more and get the Travis 4, in my opinion. But this shoe right here is definitely one that I believe you need in your collection. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Is this one that you're gonna be trying to pick up this year or not? Is it a cop, drop? Let me know. I'd like to know your guys' thoughts. Thanks again for watching, guys. Stay tuned because we have a bunch of more exciting content for 2021. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.